Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this error, the first step is to run NVIDIA app as an administrator. So type in NVIDIA app in Windows search box, make a right click on NVIDIA app and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then you can check. Still not working. Rename or delete this DLL file. Create a backup first. Now for this you can go to this location. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users, open program files folder and then open NVIDIA Corporation folder, open NV container, and then open plugins. Now open users. Now open NVIDIA app, and then open NV app. And over here you can see NVK storage.dll. Copy this DLL file. Create a backup first. Once you have a backup created, now you can rename it or you can delete it. So I will just rename this. Once you rename it or once you delete it, now you can try to launch NVIDIA app and then check. Still not working. The next step is to allow, if you face any problem, you already have a backup, you can put the file back if you face any problem. Next step is to allow control to full control to users for NVIDIA and NVIDIA Corporation folder. Now for this you can first of all type in NVIDIA app in Windows search box, make a right click and then click on open file location and then make a right click, and now you go to NVIDIA Corporation. So you can go back once and here you can see NVIDIA Corporation, make a right click, go to properties, go to security tab and over here click on edit over here and allow full control to, like, you can allow full control and then hit apply. Again select your user, allow, select your user and then allow and then hit apply. Again select users over here, apply. So wherever the apply full control is not enabled, you can put a check on full control for your username and then hit apply, click on OK and then try to launch NVIDIA app and then check. Still not working. Go to this PC, open program files, open program files first and then find NVIDIA. If you find NVIDIA Corporation or NVIDIA, make a right click, once again go to properties, go to security, again click on edit and then allow full control to your user. So it's already allowed in my case. Again full control, put a check on full control, apply, click on OK and then OK, and again go back, go to program files. If you find NVIDIA or NVIDIA Corporation, make a right click, go to properties, go to security tab, advanced, go to security and then click on edit over here and then again allow full control wherever it is applicable, apply, OK, edit, again select your user, select users over here, users, and then allow full control, apply, click on OK, OK. Now go back, go to program data. If you don't see program data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then you should be able to see program data. Now find NVIDIA. Here you can see NVIDIA folder, go to properties, security, edit, again select your user over here, wherever it is applicable, apply, click on OK, users, it's done, select users and then allow full control, put a check on full control, apply, click on OK and then again do the same with NVIDIA Corporation, properties, security, edit, put a check on full control over here, hit apply, click on OK and then you can launch NVIDIA app and then check. Still not working. Make sure all services are running for NVIDIA. So type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find NVIDIA services. Here you can see all three NVIDIA services are disabled. Make a double click on each one by one, set the startup type to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, again make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, again make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted and then make a right click on each and then click on restart. Do the same thing with all the NVIDIA services. And once this is done, now you can launch NVIDIA app and then check. You can even Even I was receiving this error message. So let me close it and then launch NVIDIA app once again. And it's opening. Now the next step is to, if connected to TV, you can unplug it and then check. If you're using multiple monitor, you can disconnect multiple monitor and then check. If that does not work, if you have second monitor or multiple monitor, you can turn it on and then check. So try both, unplug and then plug it and then check. Next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. Now for this, you can go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system, then click on find. On this page, you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, you can click on view and then click on download. And once the download is complete, let it complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, click on OK, and then you have to click on make sure NVIDIA graphics driver and NVIDIA app both are checked, and select this option, agree and continue. Select custom option, click on next. Put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next. Once the clean installation is done, you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can launch NVIDIA app. Still not working, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall only NVIDIA apps. So you can type in NVIDIA app, you can make a right click, go to uninstall option, and then find NVIDIA app in the list. Go to NVIDIA app and then you can click on uninstall. Once the uninstall is complete, you can go to the official NVIDIA website and then you can install NVIDIA app once again. So you can download it, install it, and then you can launch NVIDIA app. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.